Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break.
James Clear's Atomic Habits is a revolutionary guide to building good habits, breaking bad ones, and mastering the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. The book is rooted in scientific research and provides practical, actionable strategies to make lasting behavioral changes. At its core, Atomic Habits explains how small, consistent improvements, atomic habits, compound over time to create extraordinary personal and professional growth. This summary delves deeply into its core concepts, key insights, and how to apply them effectively.
The core philosophy of Atomic Habits. Clear emphasizes the power of small changes. Instead of attempting dramatic transformations, he advocates for 1% improvements each day, which when compounded, lead to exponential growth over time. This approach is based on the principle that habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. The effects may not be immediately visible, but over time, they lead to significant results. Another key idea is identity-based habits, which focus on shifting one's self-image. Instead of setting goals like, I want to run a marathon, Clear suggests adopting an identity such as, I am a runner. By reinforcing habits that align with this identity, behavioral changes become more natural and sustainable. The transformation story of James Clear. James Clear's journey is a testament to the power of atomic habits. As a high school athlete, he suffered a devastating baseball injury that left him in a coma and requiring months of rehabilitation. The road to recovery was long and arduous, but it was through small, incremental changes that he was able to rebuild his life. Instead of overwhelming himself with massive goals, Clear focused on tiny daily improvements, getting a little stronger, reading a few more pages, and making slightly better choices each day. Over time, these small habits compounded into a remarkable transformation. He went on to excel in college, graduate with distinction, and become a sought-after expert in habit formation. His story serves as a powerful example of how small, consistent actions can rebuild not just a career, but an entire life. The 4 laws of behavior change. Clear introduces a practical framework for habit formation, the 4 laws of behavior change. These laws make habits easier to build and sustain, while also offering a system for breaking bad habits. 1. Make it obvious. Cue. Habits begin with a cue that triggers behavior. To build good habits, you need to make the cue clear and visible. Habit stacking. Pair a new habit with an existing one. E.g., after I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 1 minute. Environment design. Shape your surroundings to make good habits easier and bad habits harder, e.g., placing healthy snacks in visible places. Implementation intention. Specify exactly when and where the habit will happen, e.g., I will exercise at 7 a.m. in my living room. To break a bad habit, do the opposite. Make the cues invisible or hard to access. 2. Make it attractive, craving. We are drawn to habits that offer immediate rewards. To make good habits more appealing, temptation bundling. Pair a habit you want to develop with one you already enjoy, e.g., listening to audiobooks while running. Join a community. Surround yourself with people who embody the habits you seek to develop. Reframe your mindset. Shift from, I have to do this, to I get to do this. To break a bad habit, make it unattractive by associating it with negative consequences. 3. Make it easy. Response. The key to sustaining habits is reducing friction and making them as easy as possible. The 2-minute rule. Start with a habit that takes 2 minutes or less, e.g., read 1 page of a book. Automation. Use technology or pre-commitment strategies to make habits effortless, e.g., automatic savings deductions. Optimize your environment. Keep tools for good habits accessible while making bad habits inconvenient. To break a bad habit, increase friction, make it more difficult or effort-intensive. 4. Make it satisfying reward. Habits need to be reinforced by immediate gratification to become ingrained. Habit tracking. Use a habit tracker to maintain momentum, e.g., marking an X on a calendar for each day you complete the habit. Reward yourself. Attach a small but meaningful reward to completing a habit. Never miss twice. If you slip, get back on track immediately. To break a bad habit, make the consequences immediate and painful, e.g., accountability partners. Advanced concepts in habit formation. 1. The plateau of latent potential. Clear explains that progress is often invisible at first because habits compound in the background before results become noticeable. Many people quit just before they reach a breakthrough. The key is to stay consistent even when change isn't immediately apparent. 2. The Goldilocks rule. Habits need to be challenging, but not too difficult, to maintain engagement. The sweet spot is the edge of our ability, where the challenge is just right to keep us motivated. 3. The role of identity in habits. Identity shifts are crucial for lasting change. Instead of focusing on outcome-based habits, focus on identity-based habits. Outcome: I want to lose weight. Identity: I am a healthy person who exercises daily. When habits align with identity, they become intrinsic and require less willpower. Practical applications. 1. Building good habits. Start small, the 2-minute rule. Stack habits with existing routines. Track progress with habit trackers. Create an environment that supports success. 2. Breaking bad habits. Make bad habits difficult to access. Increase the friction for engaging in bad behaviors. Associate negative consequences with the habit. 3. Applying habits in different areas. Health. Exercise daily by starting small, e.g., 1 push-up daily, increasing gradually. Productivity. Use time blocking to focus on deep work. Relationships. Make regular check-ins and quality time a habit. Conclusion. James Clear's Atomic Habits provides a powerful roadmap for mastering behavior change. By focusing on small, incremental changes and leveraging the 4 laws of behavior change, anyone can create lasting, positive transformations in their lives. Whether you're looking to build new habits, break old ones, or enhance overall performance, the principles in Atomic Habits offer a simple yet profound framework for achieving success. This book is not just about habits. It's about becoming the best version of yourself through continuous, meaningful progress.